Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion 1208, that is get equal substrings within budget, and then this will be on two strings s and t of the same length and an integer maximum cost. Okay, and what we have to do is we have to change s to t, changing the ith character of s to t ith character of t cost mod of si minus ti. Okay, that is the absolute difference between the sk values of the characters, and we have to return the maximum length of a substring s that can be changed to be the same as the corresponding substring of t with the cost less than or equal to maximum cost. Okay, so for in this the maximum cost is not just for a particular element but for the whole string, like which is the maximum. Like let's say we are having a variable, let's say we are having some money, and that is the we need to buy some products, so which are the maximum strength or what is the maximum substring for which we can buy that product. Okay, it was a vague example, but I hope you understand. Okay, and so it's not just for a particular ith character, it's for the whole string, and if there are no substring from s that can be changed to corresponding substring, we have to return from t, we have to return 0. Okay, so for example we are having a b c d and the maximum cost we are allowed is 3. So what we can do is we can change a to b for the cost of 1, then we can that then our remaining cost comes out to be 2. Then we can do is b, we can choose b and we can convert it to c, again that will cost us just 1. Then we can choose c and then we can convert it to b, then again it will cost just 1. Okay, so we are using the maximum cost, that is 3, and we are getting ABC. Okay, so this is a sliding window question. I hope you would have guessed it by now, but even if not, let's just quickly dive into it. So we'll be having left pointer as well as right pointer. So int left equal to 0 and my right will also be equal to 0. We'll be having our answer variable that is equal to 0. Okay, and also I guess we'll be needing our sum variable as well. Okay, we'll be just taking that if my sum is greater than or equal to max. Okay, so then while my right is less than s dot length, and the length of the both the strings are equal, so you don't have to worry about that. In case what I'll be doing is I'll be updating my sum with the absolute value of mat dot absolute of s dot char at right minus s, oh sorry, t dot char at right. Okay, and then what I'll be saying is that if my at any point sum becomes greater than the maximum cost that is allowed, what I'll be doing is I'll be subtracting my left side from the sum, that is mat dot absolute of s dot char at left minus s dot char at, oh sorry, t dot char at left. Okay, and I'll be increasing my left pointer. Okay, left plus plus. Okay, otherwise oh sorry, here I need to add the while condition, that while sum is less than max cost or sum is greater than max cost. Okay, and I'll just shift these two lines to here. I quickly select Control X and here. Okay, yeah. Now after this, what I'll be having to do is I'll be updating my answer value as maximum of my current answer, or my right minus left plus 1, and I'll be updating my right pointer to incrementing that, and at the end I'll have to return answer. Okay, now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.